Cookies, cookies, cookies. I love cookies.
Our journey started here in February when Lincoln was diagnosed with dilated cardiomyopathy. We are now waiting for a heart transplant, and we are making the best of every day, trying to do lots of fun activities and do anything that we can to make every day special for Lincoln.
Yeah.
Santa, so we're getting ready for Christmas. So we're practicing some cookie making for Santa. We have had the opportunity to work with Chef Sarah, and we've gotten to come down to the Innovation Kitchen and try out some different recipes. The hot cocoa cookie is the recipe that we've tried most recently, and that's a cocoa cookie that has a big marshmallow in it. And Lincoln likes chocolate, so we are now just trying to get him to eat as much as possible. We're trying to build up his nutrition to make him nice and strong, right?
You're nice and strong.
Nice and strong.
Pen.
It brought some joy and some fun for the day and got to get messy, right?
Get messy.
It was fun to get messy.